Hello, hello, hello. Magandang hapon. Sa mayumid na hapon. Hello, baby. Say hi. We are going down to do the walking practice sa baba. Nakatapos na siyang what is this one? Exercise therapy sa loob ng bahay. So, ngayon naman ay niyaya ko siyang sa baba kami maglakad-lakad. Kasi hindi na siya nakaka sa labas. Ilang buwan na. Nakapalabas lang kapag punta sa hospital sa therapy. So ngayon, since hindi pa naman talaga stable, kaya at least nakakapaglakad na siya. So sabi ko sa kanya is punta tayo sa baba. Punta tayo maglakad sa baba. And then, syempre, mayroon siyang reward. Mag-ice cream kami. Yay! Look, ayan na siya. Kailangan niya mag-practice ng lakad. Kasi, not the steps here. Kasi, para masanay na yung kanyang tuhod. Kasi nakaka-bend na siya ng kaunti. Wawa naman. Oh my God. Parang tumangkad na lalo. Baby, you're becoming really so tall now. Really. He's already 5'11". Mahigit 5'11" na siya. Matangkad na sa kay Big Dada niya. Ayan. Lakad-lakad na. Aray! Patay ka. Tignan ako na sakit. See, how's the feeling, babe? How's the feeling that you can really walk now a little bit? Okay. Hi, I don't know how to hold my camera. Slowly, Slowly. Slowly, slowly, walk slowly. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Salamat pala Ate Angie sa sa walking stick. Kasi ito na rin ang pinapagamit sa kanya ng therapist niya. Ang walking stick. So tamang-tama. Yung pagsabi ko sa iyo, may nagamit na siya kaagad. We cross the road. Ito na kami sa baba namin maglakad. Kasi may oras na ba? It's almost to 5 o'clock na. At mainit na lisangan. Ayumid. Ikot lang muna kami ng ilang minuto. And then, sabi ko sa kanya mag-ice cream kami sa McDo. Kahit may konti-konti pa akong sipon, okay lang. Para siguro matanggal yung aking sipon. Kahit may konti ubo-ubo pa. I'm just right behind you. I'm right behind you. See, okay na. Kahit papaano, nakakalakad na siya. Pero, wawa naman. Hindi pa siya makapasok sa school. Hanggang August pa. Yan ang binigay na sick leave ng kanyang doktor. are praying and hoping na sana bigyan siya ng consideration ng kanyang teacher na ano ba to? I-promote siya sa year 11 kasi more than 2 months na siyang hindi nakapasok mula nung kanyang aksidente. Yeah, please help us pray na bigyan siya ng consideration ng kanyang mga teachers na ma-promote siya sa year 11. Kasi yung kanyang sick leave is August, until August. So, is bakasyon na. Bakasyon na nila by middle of July. You don't want to walk, huh? Walk for a while. Ganit? Wanna go straight to McDonald's na? Then after that, wanna walk for a while? Let's just do one round here. Oh. Huh? Just do one round. Then we go to inside the McDonald's. See him, the giant young man. Lalo siyang pumayat. Bawa naman. Ay. Ito lang. Ayan. Siyumit. Mahangin na maalisangan na mainit na ewan. Very mapangit ang weather. Humid. Maalisangan. Okay. Let's go around. Take a run and go to McDo na for ice cream. Okay na lang mahangin. Where's the bra? We're going to eat ice cream. Huh?
Where would you?
Here, no. No need to take off. What do you want? I want only ice cream. I don't know which one there is nice. Maybe it's no, I don't like Oreo. You don't have other type of ice cream? You want Oreo? No, I want the one, no? The fudge. The chocolate fudge. Let me see that one. That's good. What is that there apple? That's dark pie. What is that pie? Banana. You want to try? No, you don't want? Maybe I want the apple pie. Let's try the apple pie.
So ice cream and apple pie.
Yes, ice cream and apple pie.
What about the ice cream?
You know, chocolate. That's all. Of course, pay at the counter. Pay at the counter. Gotta look for a seat first. Where do you want to sit down? Here, order the higher one. Here, oh, the higher one. You don't want? Order, oh, here? That one is too low. You don't want the higher? It's nice on the higher one. Which one now?
I can bend like
At least you sit down like that, oh. This one is too low. Oh, it's better that one or it's better the higher one? Oh, okay, then sit down there. Sit down. Sit down. They don't put door. You cannot put the leg there because of the door. You move to the other side. You cannot put there. Put your leg. You need to put the leg inside, baby. Huh? I know. I mean, cannot there. Or maybe they're all. See the door. Cannot. Stay away from the door. Chocolate ice cream. This one is Oreo. And an apple pie. It's been a while since ako'y nakakain ng apple pie. And then ice cream. Let's eat ice cream, guys. Kasi mainit ang panahon. Sunod palamig. Kain muna kami ice cream. Uwi na raw kami. Doon ko na raw kainin ang apple pie sa loob ng bahay kasi masakit ang tuhod niya. Kasi masyadong mababa yung upuan. Kaya actually, hindi ko naman talaga na makain pa. Kasi masyadong matamis na yung ice cream. Plus ito matamis. Sabi niya, uwi na daw kami. At masakit na yung tuhod niya. Kasi masyadong mababa yung yung upuan. Masyadong mababa kasi hindi siya makaganda gusto na. Kanyang tuhod. Bye! Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching sa aming short video. Bye-bye!